Hi, I'm Shelley Morris. Welcome to Elected Member Training. Good governance is a four-way play: knowing your responsibilities, being well informed, representing the community and making good decisions. Let's watch one of Australia's leading governance experts, Jenny Robertson, explain council business in a way we can all understand.
There are some rules that apply to how elected members perform the role. While the requirements of the Code of Conduct may seem really obvious, the Code of Conduct is there to ensure that everyone is operating from the same set of rules and that the expectations of each member of council is fully understood. Even though some of the do's and don'ts in the Code of Conduct might seem really obvious, there are a number of well-meaning and well-intentioned people who can sometimes slip up. Sometimes those slip-ups can be completely unintentional. For example, there is a requirement to be respectful to other council members, council staff, constituents, and members of the public. Sometimes a person's attitude or way of speaking can seem disrespectful. This might be a misunderstanding, but sometimes it can be intentional. Intentional breaches are completely unacceptable for a public officer. Another example is dishonesty. Being dishonest is an unacceptable breach of the Code of Conduct. The Code of Conduct should be seen to be a tool to encourage conversations between people, particularly if they think that a member of council is not complying with the Code of Conduct. There are some ramifications if a member of council fails to uphold the Code of Conduct. This includes disciplinary action. One of the more vexing areas of any Code of Conduct is how to manage or avoid conflicts of interest between the member of council and their private interests. Private interests refers to a financial or other interest, which means that a member is not bringing an independent mind to the council decision-making table. The best way to deal with conflict of interest is to let the council know and leave the room during any discussion or decision-making regarding that particular issue.
I hope you enjoyed watching Jen's explanation. Now, let's recap the key points about the Code of Conduct. The Code of Conduct sets out the rules and expectations for elected members. Council members must abide by the Code of Conduct at all times. Members must be honest and open in their dealings with council. They must also behave respectfully toward fellow council members, council staff, and community members. And remember, it's okay to ask questions. You can come back and watch this video again. You can ask your council CEO for help or ask your trainer about where to get more advice.